So this is Nur-Sultan Astana, Kazakhstan. Pretty impressive. It's really not a walkable city, so you have to use buses, taxis, whatever. But it's okay. I'm walking it, so you can do it too. No people in the streets, no people. It's not in the buses, there's a little crowd in the bus. So I'm drinking this tan dip. It's like ayran, if you know Turkish drink, that's like yogurt. It's pretty good. I can't say I like it, but it's pretty good. After a hangover from last night, don't drink Kazakh vodka, it's poison, man. I woke up with a terrible headache, and what can I do? Cannot go against myself, so might as well accept it. But this thingy, it helps pretty much, I think. I'm almost my new self, so after a vodka drinking night you get this thing, it's good. Okay, so here we have the big towers. I will not tell you what it reminds me of. It's like two giant... yeah. So, let's go to the big giant thing there. I think you can go up to that thing. I will try. It's not that expensive as I've seen in other videos on the internet, so I think I'll do that. And I have to find some place to exchange my money. It's hard to find anything here. Boo-doo-doo-doo. Цветы. Flowers. Yeah, why would I buy flowers? Yeah. Look there. Why would anybody go there and buy flowers? Come on. Oh, here's a nice sight. What? I like this big Soviet fingers. It makes me feel relaxed, I think. So it's good. So I'll just sit here for a while and then we'll continue in the next video, okay? Signing off.